Hi, I'm Arpitha. A few days ago, I had the opportunity to participate as a delegate at the Youth India Climate Change Summit. During one of the sessions, I conducted a small upcycling workshop where participants transformed fabric scraps into meaningful handmade tags. In this video, I would like to take you along and show you what we created together using simple materials, a little creativity, and a different way of looking at waste. I'm Arpitha. I'm a fashion designer by profession. I studied fashion from NIFT, Hyderabad in 2005. So from then, I've been in the industry. I've been working in export companies and retail stores and international brands and all those things. So basically, I know what happens in the industry. So what happens behind the scenes, like if you pick this garment, how this is made. I know all that technically, every bit of it. And I've seen how it is made and how pollutant it is, but I never knew the impact of each garment which I created as a designer. I never knew it. We were in a proper la-la land where we get all different kinds of fabrics. We can pick and choose fabrics, textures, colors, and design everything. Everybody are so excited to look at our designs. And we used to present it, and it's like a big thing. Design team is the colorful butterfly kind of thing. So I enjoyed all that. And then YouTube happened in recent years. When YouTube came, I thought, okay, why not? Let me create some videos. I experimented there, and slowly I started making fashion videos, styling videos, shopping hauls, whatever you call, all kind of fashion videos I've made. But later on, slowly I realized, so what do I do with the clothes which I buy to show in the videos? So that's where I started going deeper into what I am doing. I'll tell you a small story how I moved into sustainable fashion. So until then, I was into proper full-on fashion where I'm buying all the clothes, I'm enjoying all the colors, I'm doing everything possible. I heard about how fashion industry is the second most pollutant industry in the whole world. Then that stuck a chord. So then I started digging deep into it, and then I realized there are many things I heard in the past, but I ignored them. And then I said, okay, that's the wrong thing. We need to switch. So I was doing good with my brand collaborations. I was earning money. All that I said, okay, I don't want it anymore. I will switch. So now nobody wants to watch my videos because I'm telling people not to buy clothes, which was completely opposite to everybody on YouTube. So don't buy clothes, wear what you have, don't throw them away, don't wear one garment for so many events. People are in a world where they want to show one garment in one page or one event. They don't want to repeat it. So I was telling them all reverse. So I lost all the views, I don't have followers, and I'm like, okay, let it be. I want to follow my heart and values. I just started sustainable. And I have fabric scraps here. And before we begin, I want to tell you, if you look at a leaf, don't go for a green fabric. Just go with any fabric. That's the whole point of upcycling. You don't stick to, if it is a leaf, I want green fabric only, and I go buy green fabric. That's again a problem. So when we start, this is our top part. So we'll start from the bottom always. And this is knotted at the end. So we need to pull until that comes to the back. And then now it's a simple running stitch. Goes up, down, up, down. Right? You can go until there also, but I don't want to do that. You guys get into it. So now once that is there, you pull it slowly because this will get tangled. So slowly you pull it. There you go. So you keep doing that until here. Don't cut the thread until you finish everything. Once you come here, you are at the back, right? So go to that line. And then do the same thing here. Go there. And then you come down here, do the running stitch. Finish it there. And then you come here. So it's like that. Until you finish the whole embroidery, don't cut the thread. Yeah,
I thought
start
I'll put this here.
here. Then this should not be here. We should start from there because we have to secure this first and then do the stitching. What's upcycled in this? Can you tell me?
The hoodie
to the shirt. Correct. This is a shirt, my husband's shirt. So I just cut it. I just attached to it. That's it. It looks completely different.
Yeah.
Just the attaching. Now today you have learned the running stitch. You can do that anytime. And let me show you one of the best pieces. This is totally upcycled.
Yes.
All these fabrics are patched together and then created this garment. So anybody can make all these things. Today you have learned this running stitch. So please use that skill, don't use it. All the men, please don't use it. Yeah, you have done a great job today. So please use that skill and make something out of your old clothes. Don't lose them. What I love most about workshops like these is that they remind us that sustainability doesn't always start with big changes. Sometimes it begins with a small shift in perspective, seeing value in something that might otherwise be thrown away. I hope this video inspires you to look at the materials around you a little differently. Thank you for joining me, and I'll see you in the next video.